Welcome to SAG Medical Systems. My name is Richard. In today's session, we will be discussing about Homemedix HMKV 5 liter oxygen concentrator. In this video, we will be discussing by how to set up an oxygen concentrator, how to operate an oxygen concentrator, and some basic troubleshooting of the oxygen concentrator. As you can see, this is our oxygen concentrator. Along with this, you will get accessories like a power cord, a user manual, a nasal cannula, a humidifier bottle, and a humidifier connecting tube, and a nebulizer tube as well as. Now you can see how to set up an oxygen concentrator. Always keep that in mind. You should keep your oxygen concentrator away from walls around 5 to 6 inches gap, and make sure near the oxygen concentrator or the surrounding of oxygen concentrator there should not be any obstacles or carpets or pillows, sofas, anything like that. And I recommend to use this oxygen concentrator with stabilizer, and always use RO water or drinking water to fill the humidified bottle. If you use tap water, you can find after some days the mineral particles will be blocking this humidifier tube. And always place the oxygen concentrator in a flat surface or in tiles. Avoid placing the oxygen concentrator on the carpets or any kind of cloths. And avoid the direct sunlight. Always make sure that oxygen concentrator you keep away from direct sunlight. It may cause overheating problems. Now we can see how to operate an oxygen concentrator. First, we can turn on the oxygen concentrator. First, we need to connect the power cord to the power source. After that, you can connect this output to the oxygen concentrator. After that, you can turn on the power socket, and you can just turn on the button. As you can see, now our oxygen concentrator is turned on. Now in the display area, we can see options like SOS, mute option, timer, and nebulizer option. Now to increase and decrease, we can see now the flow rate is at 5. We can just decrease by rotating the knob and increase. And to start and stop the therapy, just click. It means now it is started. You can see in the output, oxygen output, you can see the oxygen is coming. To stop, you can just click again. As you can see, now we can place a humidifier bottle here. After placing, you can see here is the outlet. In this, you can connect one end of your humidifier connector tube here, and you can connect the other end to the oxygen outlet. Like this, you can connect it. After connecting, you can take your nasal cannula and connect the one end of the nasal cannula to here and another end to your nose. We can discuss about some basic troubleshootings. First, if you see if the oxygen concentrator is not power on, but you made the connections clear, means first you check your power socket if the power is coming or not. Next, you can check whether there is any damage to the power cord, and check if the power cord is properly attached to the oxygen concentrator. Next, if the oxygen concentrator starts to overheat, if the oxygen concentrator is exposing more heat, means first you should just turn off the device, and you should keep the oxygen concentrator at some freeze case for around half an hour to let it cool down. And you can find whether if the pressure or flow is not properly coming, means you can just check your nasal cannula and humidifier bottle in the tubes. There may be some damage or you couldn't properly fix. So these are some basic troubleshootings you should know whether you are using an oxygen concentrator. Now in this video, we have seen how to set up an oxygen concentrator, how to operate an oxygen concentrator, and have some basic troubleshootings. I hope these are the settings you should basically know about an oxygen concentrator. I hope this video was interesting and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video.